Hey, it's Sharron. Welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to make a gingerbread latte. And here's what we used. Let's get started. So did you guys know that ginger has some health benefits? It is said that it can help calm nausea and also lower blood sugars. So guys, make sure your stove is on low because this could happen. But I caught it just in time, so make sure your stove is on low. And as always, if you like quick and easy recipes, don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. And now here is the finished product. Look at that, girl. And that's it. Thank you guys for watching. If you decide to make this, comment below. And don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. And don't forget to follow me over on Instagram, guys. I'm under Solo Dolo Cooking. Bye-bye.